Hello, today I'm in Audi A4. In this video I'll show you how to reset service info. In the beginning you'll be notified if you need to make service whenever you turn ignition on. Right here you'll have the service notification. How to reset it? Simply turn the ignition off, and now press and hold the key button. While you're doing it, you have to turn ignition on, still hold it, and then you have to press 0. And that's it. Right now it's not working in my car because of course I don't need to make service, but whenever you'll have to reset the service info, simply do as I did in this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.